Let's assemble the Big Fig adjustable base. Step 1. Prepare the frame components. Lay all frame parts, side rails, and crossbars flat on the ground. Use the labels on the side rails to determine proper orientation. Step 2. Install the legs. Choose your preferred leg height. The legs can be set to 3 different heights. When adjusting to the 3 different height settings, be sure the rubber bottom remains at the base, regardless of which height you choose. Insert the legs into the side rails and twist until hand tight. Step 3. Connect the crossbars. If you have a split king, these instructions are for you. For all other sizes, forward to the next step at 56 seconds. Place the split king connector between the 2 twin XL frames, aligning the holes. Position the crossbars so they sit on top of the connector and attach to the side rails. Insert the crossbar knobs through both the crossbar and connector. Make sure the bolts go through the holes at the ends of the crossbars and are tightened securely. Make sure to complete this step at both ends of the base, top and bottom. For all other sizes, attach both crossbars directly to the side rails. Make sure the crossbar knobs go through the holes at the ends of the crossbars and are tightened securely. Step 4. Connect the cables. Plug in all cables, making sure each plug is oriented correctly and fully inserted. Step 5. Install the control box. Lay the base platform with the net facing up. Place the control box securely inside the net. Step 6. Attach the base platform. Flip the base platform over and center it on the frame. Insert screws and turn until hand tight. Step 7. Add the inner platforms. Place the inner platforms on either side of the base platform. Insert screws and turn until hand tight. Step 8. Attach the head and foot platforms. Make sure the head and foot platforms are correctly placed. The foot platform will have slots for the retainer bar. Insert screws and turn until hand tight. Step 9. Install the retainer bar and power connections. Push the retainer bar into the slots until it clicks into place. Connect the power cables to the power converter. Final setup before use. Plug the power converter into a wall outlet. Insert batteries into your remote. Press any button to pair the remote with the base. And finally, enjoy a great night's sleep.